Hey guys, welcome back with another video, and today we're going to be looking on how to replace the armrest, the leather armrest on a Honda 2010 Honda Accord Crosstour in this case. So this is the left hand side, and then we got the right hand side ready to go. Just attach, put the screws on, and you're good to go. Okay, let's put it up here. Just make sure this tab here goes into the hole right here. So this, see how it is kind of like curved in an angle? You want to make sure that goes first in there and like shove it in there. Okay, so they're nice and tight. Now we're just gonna tighten up the screws. All right, so all 5 screws are up here. Now we're gonna reattach this back in place. It's down here at the bottom, and the little clip there at the end. So once you put the door back in here, try to align the little plastic tabs in there and just give it a good push. This all around. And this top part here was more like a hanger. It hangs in there. To make sure this was easy, just push them in there. Had a little plastic tab in here, just push in here. And back to these little screws here and to the 2 up top here. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.